Anyone can draw cartoons. Take a pen and a paper and draw with me. Draw a big circle and two small circles for the eyes. Put two dots for the eyeballs. Small circle for the nose and a smiley curve. Let's make another one. Draw a big circle and two circles for the eyes. Repeat for the eyes. This time the character is looking to the right. Circle for a nose. An astonished face with a circle. That's it. Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel.